An analogy that I really want everybody to understand, and I hope it sticks, especially as we're entering new beardsman season, cooler weather, no shave November, the holidays. We get a lot of people coming in to learn about caring for their beard for the first time. Hopefully they find this channel. If you guys can share it, it really helps. But I want this analogy to really kind of be something that's just known, because it can make all the difference in the world for how people think about their beard and care for the beard. And that analogy would be, you cannot have great crops without healthy soil. And this is really important because to have healthy soil, we must have manure. Just kidding. The hat was just for attention purposes. I actually just talked to my wife, Sam, and said something like cute and flirty with her. She was like, you can't say that with a poop hat on. I was like, you're right. I forgot I have that on right now, but it was just for attention. But for real, so many times when we think about the beard, when we talk about the beard, when you guys reach out and ask about the beard, it's just about the hair. My hair is doing this. My hair feels like that. What is going on with my beard? And I get it. That's what the beard is. But everything we have here starts at the skin and below the skin, just like the crops that you see on farms. We've got to treat the soil just as much or more than we treat the actual hair, aka the crops. And I'm going to go into detail on this, but a quick introduction for anybody that is new here. My name is Dan. I'm a dude that loves beard care, loves beard science, and loves helping people. How did I get here? I have no idea, but we're here and I love it. If you feel like this video is going to be helpful to you or anybody else, real quick, it's free, a thumbs up, a like button. And if you're not subscribed, it would mean the world to me. Like, sincerely, one of my biggest goals in my whole life is to grow this channel to 100,000 subscribers and then beyond. We're getting close, so you can have a small part in that by, for free, subscribing. Shout out to those returning subscribers. You guys are amazing. This beard is healthy, right? It is my billboard of hygiene. It is my billboard of purposefulness. But it's so much more than what I do it to the outside. I need to remain hydrated, right? I just did a video a couple days ago on hydration. I need to have proper diet. I need to have some exercise. I need to lower my stress as much as possible. All of that factors in here. Even further than that, when I'm treating the beard, what are the two most important products? Beard wash and beard oil. Why? Because they're for the skin and the hair. There's a whole cornucopia of products out there that we can use for different situations, such as butter, balm, conditioner, wax, so many things. But those are only for the beard hair, meaning they're not necessary. They're not required for the healthiest beard possible. I sincerely believe, through experience, through research from talking to you guys, you cannot have the most purposeful, healthy, and greatest beard without quality beard wash and beard oil for almost all of us. Now, I'm not saying it needs to be this wash or that oil, right? We have so many variables that come into play. But treating and cleaning and nourishing the skin underneath the hair is so important. And if we start to shift our thoughts, it can make all the difference. Now, I'll give you an example. You have a bad beard day. It feels dry. It is frizzy, it doesn't style well, maybe it's overly heavy and not sitting. There's a bunch of different ways we can have a bad beard day. So many people rush to the outside. What oil did I wear? What did I comb it with? Did I have something that I did wrong on my routine? But we really should be flipping the script and thinking about, how was my hydration yesterday? Did I wash it correctly? Was I exfoliating the skin below the beard? Was I stressed out yesterday? Did I have a lazy day and it was bad food, bad exercise? That's where we should start. And then we can think about the grooming, the routines. I'm not trying to dismiss a care routine, right? It's what I do for a living, is educate about this stuff. I'm not trying to dismiss any products, but we got to start at the soil. We need to understand the health of the beard is just an indication of what's going on inside. And the biggest changes happen at the skin and below. To have a great beard, treat the skin underneath it and treat the body, within it? I don't know what the proper phrase would be on that one. But I hope that this helps. I know many of you know this, But maybe this was just packaged correctly as a vehicle to deliver to stay. Maybe you haven't thought about this and it was a light bulb moment. Regardless, I know that this is that analogy that can really shape the way we start to grow this understanding of the beard grooming world, which is in its infant stages. We're just getting started. Think about the women's head hair industry. Think about the women's makeup industry. Think about the bath and body industry. Men's grooming, specifically beard care, nowhere near that stuff yet, but we're gonna get there, and we're gonna get there with education. That's gonna be the key. So down below, you guys, let me know your thoughts. What comes to mind right away? Now, go. What questions do you have? What add-ons do you want to bring to this video to extend the knowledge, to bring the community with it? I love it and appreciate it, you guys. My name's Dancy Bearded. Sincerely, thank you for watching to the end of the video. I love this stuff. Please stay bearded and stay positive.